Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone is updated and Siri is enabled because CarPlay requires voice control. Once done, plug a certified Lightning cable into the charger's USB-A/USB-C port or activate wireless pairing if your model supports it. You'll also need the Uconnect head unit on and the vehicle in accessory or run mode. Make sure CarPlay appears as an available source on the screen. If it doesn't, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the phone and try the cable once more. You'll see an authorization prompt on your iPhone. Tap Allow so CarPlay can access contacts, messages, and navigation. Once connected, use the charger's touchscreen, steering wheel buttons, or say Hey Siri to control music, maps, or messages hands-free. Make smarter choices by customizing the app layout on your phone under Settings General CarPlay. This rearranges icons on the Uconnect screen. If sound or voice input seems off, check the vehicle volume and the phone's media/voice levels to balance. To finish, safely disconnect when parked or disable CarPlay in your iPhone settings to stop automatic connections. If CarPlay doesn't appear or drops regularly, restart your phone first, swap to a known good Lightning cable, and reboot the Uconnect system via the infotainment settings. Make sure both phone and head unit firmware are current. If problems persist, reset the phone's network settings as a targeted fix. One key troubleshooting tip: try another phone to isolate whether the issue is the phone or the charger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.